Why is your Social Security disability case taking so long to process? In this video, I'm going to talk about kind of what's going on with the SSA and why the time to process Social Security disability cases has jumped by about 6 months to a year longer to go from start to finish. The first thing that happened is the SSA is facing budgetary restraints. They're not able to hire all the staff they need to process all the claims that they have, and it has really slowed down the process. It's been a gradual problem really over the last decade that really hasn't been addressed. All of those problems became far worse after the second problem of COVID. Once COVID happened, all of the Social Security offices shut down. There were no in-person appointments available at local Social Security disability offices. All of the hearing offices shut down and changed to online hearings instead of in-person hearings. The Social Security offices have since opened up. You can go to your local office now and there's in-person hearings available, but this caused just a massive backlog in the processing of claims. And there were all sorts of technological difficulties with the over-the-phone hearings as opposed to the in-person ones that caused just delays in hearings to have to be rescheduled. And SSA hasn't really dug themselves out of that hole. And since they're still dealing with the staffing crisis, it's very hard for them to play catch up just because they don't have the manpower to do so, which is very unfortunate. A lot of Social Security disability cases for all over the country have been lingering for far longer than they have in the past. And for people that really need those benefits, it's incredibly painful. I have to have conversations with my clients frequently, more often than I'd like to, going over, there's really not a lot that can be done to speed cases up. And this is just kind of the state of things whenever you apply for Social Security disability in the present age. If you are thinking about applying for Social Security disability, I created a free guide available to you. I have it hosted on my website. Just visit bradthomasdisability.com. Scroll about halfway down the page and you'll see where you can submit your email to get a free copy of my guide emailed directly to you. I spent a lot of time on it. I hope you like it. I hope it's able to provide you information about the whole process of applying for disability without having to search all over the internet for answers. And if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below.